Recently, we've begun to add STEM words to 321 Read Plus. So in order to use this, there are two modes, learning and reviewing. Today, we're going to go through each of them briefly. To get to the Learn mode, to learn the STEM words, you select the Learn button, and then you go to Reading, and now we're going to learn STEM. When you push this, it will take you to the first STEM word, and each word, it's the same thing. To learn the word, you touch the button.
Artificial.
It will say it, and then you repeat it. Artificial.
Artificial.
Artificial. Once you're happy that you know it, you go to the next word.
Intelligence.
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 Intelligence. Next word.
AI.
AI. Next word.
Robot.
Robot. Next word.
Android.
Android. Next word.
Element.
Element, etc. To get to this, back to the menu, you have to drag the screen to your scrolls. This will take you back to the menu. And anytime that you want, this will take you back to the home screen, back here. So we just learned the way that we're going to learn the STEM words. We're going to go Learn, Reading, and STEM. And that'll take us to where we start learning the STEM words. Now we're going to do the review. So we go to Review, and then we're going to go to Reading. Now there's two different ways that you can see the STEM words. One is you can see all the STEM words at the same time. To do that, you go here, and then you select STEM. Oops, I got to hit the right button. There we go. And now you have all of your STEM words right here. And if you touch the word
station, station, station,
you can touch them as many times as you want until you feel comfortable with them.
chemical, electron,
etc. If you go all the way down to the bottom, this will take you back to the menu. This will take you back to your home screen. So now we're going to do our second way of reviewing, and that is one at a time. So we're going to go to the STEM. Now, when you touch the top button, it's going to say a word, and then you have to pick which of these words that it's saying.
Artificial.
Which one of these says artificial? This one. Next word.
Intelligence.
Which one of these words says intelligence? This one, of course. But what happens if they pick the wrong word? It gives them that. It will not advance until they pick the correct word. They can hit this many times as they want so that they can hear it again if they forget.
Intelligence.
Next word.
AI.
Next word.
Robot.
Etc. So they're going to review all 20 words going through this sequence of the review mode. Again, to get back to the navigation, this will take them to the previous menu. And if you scroll down, this will take them to the home screen. And there you have it. You have your Learn mode and you have your Review mode for the STEM words. Enjoy.